Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and to another session of confusing words in English. For today, we will be focusing on the difference between borrow and lend. The word borrow means to receive something that you will give it back later. For example, can I borrow your pen? She borrowed money from her friend to buy a laptop. Let's look at the word lend. To lend means to give something temporarily. For example, I can lend you my pen. I can't lend you some money. So, the simple difference between the word borrow and the word lend is the perspective. Borrow means to receive, while lend means to give. Now, let's compare two sentences. She borrowed money from the bank. The bank lent her some money. With the first sentence, she was the receiver. But with the second sentence, the bank is the giver. She borrowed money, it means she took money or received money from the bank. The bank lent her some money. It means the bank gave her money. On that note, the person receiving the thing is the borrower, while the person giving out the thing is the lender. Let's get a very short quiz. In this statement, can you me your book? Do you say can you borrow me your book or can you lend me your book? If you know the answer, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. And if you want to see more of lessons like this, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.